In the heart of the drag racing world, where speed is king and horsepower reigns supreme, SICK Week 2024 stood out as a battleground for the most powerful machines on the planet. Among them, a select few 2,000 HP beasts roared down the strip, leaving spectators in awe with their lightning-fast 6-second passes. This was no ordinary race. It was a showcase of raw power, adrenaline, and the relentless pursuit of speed. As the engines roared to life and the scent of burning rubber filled the air, anticipation crackled like electricity through the crowd. Eyes were fixed on the starting line, where these monstrous machines awaited their moment to shine. Each car was a masterpiece of engineering, meticulously crafted to harness the full force of its 2,000 horsepower and propel its driver down the quarter-mile in record time. When the lights flashed green, it was go time. With a deafening roar, the 2,000 HP beasts launched off the line, their engines screaming as they tore down the track with breathtaking speed. In just 6 short seconds, they crossed the finish line, leaving behind a trail of smoke and shattered records. But it wasn't just the sheer speed of these cars that captivated the audience. It was the skill and precision of the drivers behind the wheel. Each pass down the strip was a delicate dance between man and machine, a test of reflexes, concentration, and nerves of steel. One wrong move could spell disaster, but these drivers were masters of their craft, navigating the track with confidence and finesse. As the day wore on and the sun dipped below the horizon, the competition grew fiercer. Rivalries were forged, friendships tested, and legends born on the unforgiving asphalt of SICK Week 2024. But through it all, the 2,000 HP cars remained the undisputed stars of the show, their blistering speed and jaw-dropping performance leaving an indelible mark on all who witnessed it. As the final runs of the day drew to a close, the roar of engines gave way to the cheers of the crowd. The 2,000 HP cars had done their job, pushing the limits of what was thought possible and proving once again that when it comes to drag racing, there's no substitute for raw power and sheer determination. And as the lights dimmed on another unforgettable day at SICK Week 2024, one thing was clear: these 6-second 2,000 HP cars had left an impression that would last a lifetime.